Hi, this is VK Math, Confusion to Clarity. Now we solve this problem from Chapter 1, Relations and Functions of Grade 12. Here, the function f is defined from this interval to the real numbers and the function is given by x divided by x plus 1. Now we are going to check which is the correct option. First, we consider the function f of x divided by x plus 1 and the function f is defined from the interval to the real numbers. And this is domain and it is codomain. To check whether the function is one-to-one or not, let us choose two elements from the domain set. Let x1, x2 be the two arbitrary elements from the domain set. Now we find image of these two elements, that is f of x1 and f of x2, and we assume that f of x1 and x2 are the same, that is image of the two elements are the same. Now we find f of x1 and f of x2. We substitute there. X1 divided by x1 plus 1 is equal to x2 divided by x2 plus 1. Now we do cross multiplication. When you multiply x1 x2 plus x1 is equal to x1 x2 plus x2. Now we can cancel x1 x2, we will be getting x1 is equal to x2. It means that when the images are same, the elements are also same. Different elements of the domain related to different element of the codomain. I can conclude that the given function is one-to-one function. Now we move on to onto function. Now we check onto. To prove onto, we have to choose one arbitrary element from the codomain set. Let us choose the element as y. Y belongs to the real numbers. Now we have to equate this y to the given function, that is x divided by x plus 1. Out of this equation, we should find the value of x in terms of y. So we do cross multiplication. We will get xy plus y is equal to x. Now I collect x term one side. So I take this to the right side. I will get x minus xy is equal to y. From this we take x outside. You will get 1 minus y, that is equal to y. I said I need the value of x. So we keep x here and we take this 1 minus y to the other side. We will get y divided by 1 minus y. Now we need to check whether this x value belongs to the domain set or not. Let us consider an example, that is, let me take y is equal to, y can be any real number. Let me take y is equal to 4. When we substitute y is equal to 4, 4 divided by 1 minus 4 will be getting minus 4 by 3. Now you check whether this negative number belongs to the domain or not. No, here it is from 0 to infinity. It doesn't contain any negative number. So it does not belongs to the domain set. So I can conclude that here f is not onto. Here we have proved f is one-to-one and it is not onto. Now we say which is the correct option? Yes, one-to-one but not onto. Option B is the correct answer. I hope you all understand. I catch you in the next video. Thank you.